Okay, real quick, let's start the transition checks. First, descent, we've already done everything. Tailwinders are set. Landing lights, input 3002 at the airport. Landing lights are on. Passengers, non-fuel quantity is looking good. Landing down, and we went over. Approach setup, the Gala 7, and looking good. And barometers are set to 20.
AirPod 1, contact Santa Barbara approach 125.4. Good day.
125.4, AirPod 1. Santa Barbara approach, good afternoon. AirPod 1 is 10,000, heading 290 information kilo.
Envoy 3475, 8 miles from Nap, turn right heading 045, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 7 approach.
Alright, right heading 045, maintain 3000 till established on the cleared ILS, runway 7, Envoy 3475.
AirPod 1, Santa Barbara approach, fly heading 310, vectors for the ILS, runway 7 approach.
Heading 310 vectors, ILS 7 approach, AirPod 1. And 10,000 checks, so belts, earlier event, our belts.
Right, secure.
Left is secure too. APU bleach will stay off after landing, and pumps and avionics are set. So we're down to 4 landing checks. And Santa Barbara is right around 12 o'clock. Low, there's a...
AirPod 1, just want to maintain 6,000.
6,000, AirPod 1. Idle it, because you got to slow down at 250 as well. And then just start, 1,000 feet is good. And then once you get down to 250, then you can go minus 1,800, and then keep the 250 with the throttles at idle. That's good. Now you can go minus 1,800 and let the airplane do its magic.
Oh, minus 186,000.
See the airport?
Yeah, I have the airport.
3475,
Okay.
contact tower 119.7.
Over to tower 197, see you in a bit, Envoy 3475.
So we're basically joining a right downwind for the runway.
1700, kilometer 3000.
Southwest 522, Santa Barbara departure, radar contact, common
That's always a really
maintain
nice area.
5,000, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles northwestbound, Challenger 8,900, descending to 6,000.
Alright, kilometer 5000, keep an eye out for the Challenger, Southwest 522.
AirPod 1, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles southwestbound, a Boeing 737, climbing out of 2,100 for 5,000.
Alright, we're looking AirPod 1.
November 7, Alpha Delta, contact approach 124.15.
2415, 7 Alpha Delta, good day.
You'd think it'd be easier to see a 737, but...
Yeah, I see. I dropped the type.
AirPod 1 to 73 is in sight.
AirPod 1, roger, maintain visual separation from that traffic. Turn left heading 255.
Heading 255, maintain visual separation from the traffic, AirPod 1. 255, heading.
Yeah, waiting a little bit.
You can turn, it's fine. We're over him.
Copy. So heading 255.
Yep, and 1 to go.
Southwest 522, traffic no factor, climb and maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000, 522.
AirPod 1, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, AirPod 1. And now, to be honest, you can start slowing down to 200 as well. Just not to get too away from the airport too fast.
Copy. Thank you.
Southwest 522, contact LA Center 119.05.
And then I'll line you up from
Southwest
Naps.
522.
Alright. You're set up.
AirPod 1, turn 10 degrees left, vectors for pattern correction, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,010 left, AirPod 1.
Alright,
Towers
left.
97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97. 97 Copy that.
I will slow myself down a little bit.
Sure.
180. Alright, we're past the airport. It will be on our right side.
You can use the flaps if you want also. They're just going to add drag if you're only going to slow down from here. You don't have to, but again, it's just a tool you can use.
Yeah, but in the meantime it's going well.
Oh, good.
The alt will cap and then the speed will get it at 180.
No
Easy.
problem. It's probably going to turn you in about 3 to 4 miles.
Yeah. Alright, I'll stop.
Did she say 4,000 or 3,000?
4,000.
And AirPod 1, just to confirm, do you need us at 4,000 or 3,000?
AirPod 1, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, AirPod 1.
Alright, 3,000 coming down.
Always double check.
Yeah, that's the goods.
Can't wait to turn inbound just to goose that sun.
Alright, can you give me a flaps, please?
Yeah, flaps 10.
Yeah.
Flaps 10 coming in.
Thank you. I'll step.
Copy.
AirPod 1, turn right, heading 340.
Heading 340, AirPod 1. Oh, say 340. And you're 8 from Napes. Turn right, heading 040. Maintain 1,800 until established.
AirPod 1, 7 miles from Naps. Turn right, heading 045. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 7 approach.
045 on the heading, maintain 3,000 until established. Clear ILS 7 approach, AirPod 1.
Okay, so I 345. 045 on heading.
Okay, and immediately, so you don't forget, what do you press?
Then approach.
Nav. Nav, 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 not approach, nav. This airplane does not know how to capture an offset localizer. So you're going to use the GPS, and then once you're lined up, then you should be good to go.
Well, let's reduce the speed a little bit more to 160, and...
Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you is be careful on your glide slope, because we are going to catch it a little bit high, relatively to a normal capture, and then it might be a bit close to the glide slope, so just be careful.
Alright, thanks. Alright, now catch.
approach, good afternoon, SkyWest 3631, 11,800, descending 9,000 with kilo.
Oh, you're gonna have to approach it.
SkyWest 3631, Santa Barbara approach. Expect the ILS approach
Okay,
from
we got
Gaviota.
localizer and we got lights loaded.
Expect the ILS approach from Gaviota,
And missed
SkyWest
approaches.
3631.
And give me 4,000. Yeah,
Yep.
flaps
AirPod 1,
20.
contact tower 119.7.
19.7, AirPod 1. Flaps 20?
Yeah, flaps 20, please.
Flaps 20 coming. And Santa Barbara Tower, good afternoon, AirPod 1 on the ILS 7 parking signature.
AirPod 1, Santa Barbara Tower, winds 240 at 8, runway 7, clear to land.
Runway 7 clear to land, AirPod 1. And you're clear to land.
Alright, I will need the landing gear, so give me the landing gear down, please.
Landing gear coming down. And do you see the runway?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
yes sir.
We got gear down, 3 greens.
Okay, full flaps and before landing checklist, please.
Okay, flaps full, and before landing checklist will come up in a moment. Gear down, 3 greens, flaps 30.
Yeah, see it.
Okay, we got landing clearance and all the lights are on. You are good to go before landing checklist complete.
Okay, thank you very much.
And again, vacating left at the end.
Santa Barbara Tower, Cessna 49455, holding short 15 left, ready for takeoff.
Cessna 49455, Santa Barbara Tower, winds 240 at 8, runway 15 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic for the crossing runway is a Challenger, 3 mile final.
15 left, clear for takeoff, 49455.
AirPod 1, traffic departing crossing runway prior, Cessna.
Thank you. And wind check.
Winds 240 at 8.
Minimums.
Continue.
Okay.
$100. 50. 40.
Cessna 455,
30.
contact departure.
20.
Over to
10.
departure, 455.
Okay. Spoilers out. Reverser's green. And line controls.
Your controls.
Okay, we're gonna vacate left at the end.
Okay, and COM2 is ground?
It's ground, but yeah, we're still on tower.
AirPod 1, turn left to Bravo 1, contact ground.
Bravo 1 and contact ground, report 1.
So COM2.
Okay, nicely done. Calm 2.
And left on Echo, left on Bravo, Bravo 1. I'm going to fox you around this last runway 7 arrival.
On airport 1 to runway 7 at Bravo 1 to signature.
800, did you copy?
Yes, we're turn right on Charlie, left on Echo, and left on Bravo. Exit 800.
Airpod 1, Santa Barbara ground, taxi to signature via Bravo Foxtrot.
Signature Bravo Fox on airport 1.
And after landing checks, no APU.
Alright, copy that. Left and right props is off, wing and chase as required, flaps is up, external light as required.
Okay.
After landing checklist is complete.
Thank you.
Aircraft Santa Barbara Airport information Lima is now current wind 260 at 9 altimeter 3001, landing and departing runway 25, 15 left, 15 right. At 800, hold ashore on the runway, contact tower 119.7.
We'll contact tower, holding short, exit 800.
That's an interesting
Okay, right.
way to park.
I will monitor on the right side. It seems like you're good.
Yeah, I'm good, and now I gotta
Take a little bit left here.
Yeah, because I had a cone and some chocks on the left side. Am I looking on the right?
Perfect. Got a bunch of space. You're good.
Yeah. Take pictures of the yeah, we got chocks. Take pictures of the numbers. I'm gonna shut down real quick. You got everything? No? Oh, you just need the APU numbers.
Got the numbers.
4734.5.
Alright, I got it.
Okay, that's it. And let's go home.